Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Tap Producer CRM. So in this video, we cannot really access the dashboard or what's inside the tool because we have to request for a demo. But still, I'm going to discuss to you the different products that you have to consider if you are planning to use this tool. Okay, so we are going to start with the real estate CRM. Right. Okay, so here, as you can see, for the meaningful insights, it has a 360 degrees contact view with social media insights, MLS integration with buyer property insights, email and market Snapchat performance. It also have effective follow up, branded MLS, market reports, send new listing, price change and sold alerts, built-in testing, and integrated email with history, professional real estate email and text templates, plus an AI writing assistant. Simplified workflows, so personalized contact groups with custom follow-up rules, sync with your everyday calendar contacts and email, integrated with 150 plus real estate lead sources. Okay, so what is a Top Producer CRM? Here, you can grow your client database easily with popular integrations. Simplify the follow up with templates and your own follow up coach. Stay top of mind with effective text and email marketing. Organize your business with embedded transaction management and then accelerate lead follow up with an AI powered email and SMS writing assistant. So keep your team in the loop with shared access to contacts, communications, and a calendar of key dates and tasks. Work on the go. So the mobile and tablet friendly CRM, no limits in the usage, no hidden costs, and free coaching and support. Okay, so you can easily import and export contact lists while keeping important notes and tags. You can add new leads automatically by integrating 5 Street real estate lead management response software or connect directly with 150 plus online lead sources. Capture your own online leads by connecting your top producer, real estate website, and market Snapchat landing pages. So sync Tap Producer CRM, whether Google, iCloud, or Microsoft contacts, including Calendar, for free. So connect with Zapier to automatically import leads from Facebook ads, Google Forms, and more. Okay, here simplify follow up with Tap Producer CRM. So the Tap Producer CRM has powerful features and a simple interface so you can engage with contacts in just minutes per day. So send branded MLS market reports that work for all stages of the client life cycle. Send real-time alerts for new listings, price changes, and sold properties. Track the transactions by pairing MLS data with your own unique workflow to help convert clients. Follow your personal follow-up coach to make 5 meaningful connections per day or 1,000 per year. Communicate by text or email without leaving your top producer CRM. New, use AI to write email and text message follow-ups with the click of a button, and call wrap-ups and create tasks so you don't forget next steps, and use proven templates for text and emails to save time or customize for that personal touch, and get insights into who's opening, reading, or unsubscribing from your email so you can improve your follow up. Right, now let's proceed to the real estate leads. Here you can grow your database with a steady stream of affordable, exclusive real estate leads from social media ads. Every month, you'll connect with an average of 30 consumers interested in real estate in your local market for just $300 per month. You can connect and close with more consumers. So, from lead capture to closing, Social Connect is designed to get you a high volume of leads and move them through your pipeline until they're ready to buy and sell real estate. So, what you get with Social Connect, receive a steady stream of 30 leads per month for only $300 per month. How help you maximize your ROI? Digital advertising, experts generate leads on your behalf to maximize your ad budget's ROI, and all leads are automatically nurtured via text and email on your behalf, saving your time and effort. Here, so you'll grow your business with Social Connect, so get more leads in your local market, consistently grow your contact database with a steady stream of real estate leads. Experts create and optimize social media and campaigns on your behalf, target consumers who have shown interest in real estate in your local market, and then get a high volume of leads, fast, an average of 30 plus leads, and then starting within days of signing up. Okay, so you can create meaningful connection with automated nurturing. So the light leads immediately, so they promptly receive relevant real estate information, more channels, more chances to engage, mix of texts, emails, and calls, increase connection, become their go-to expert. MLS reports educate leads on your behalf and build a relationship. So leads are automatically nurtured until they're ready to connect. So you can convert more leads with top producers all in one platform. So leads are synced with top producers industry leading CRM. Everything is tracked in a certain centralized location, a complete communication history, properties they've asked about, and more. And then lead insights from social media, help personal outreach, and create meaningful conversations. So syncs with your email and calendar to ensure you stay on top of everything. And then the MLS integration allows you to pull relevant listing data with just click. Transactions management tracks all your deals, plus automates and assigns tasks via workflows. So you can also get more leads with Social Connect. So if you want to learn more, so you just have to input your details right here. Okay, so now let's talk about the pricing. For the pricing, we have here the Pro plus leads, and Pro plus farming. So for the Pro, we have $179 per month. And then we have here the plan features. Okay, so you have that right here. Now for the Pro plus leads, so if you want to see the plan features, you have that right here. And then for the Pro plus farming, you have that, so everything are almost included. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.